How does on-page optimization work? It's a simple formula. First, you research for suitable keywords for your web pages. Then you change the content respectively. After a while, you analyze the progress. And then you start over. Maybe the most important thing is to stay patient. When you change your site today, it can take some time until the search engines notice the changes and recalculate the ranking. In this lecture, I show you a few options on how to find the right keywords. And the next lecture will show you how to analyze the progress. To find appropriate keywords, I suggest to start with a brainstorming. You can use a large piece of paper or use tools like FreeMind to create mind maps. You might start with the categories of your website and dive deeper into subcategories until you determine the relevant keywords. One tool for researching keywords is the Google Keyword Planner. Please find the link to this tool in the lecture description on the right. In order to log in, you will need a Google account. Google Keyword Planner is a statistics tool, showing you which keywords were put in by users in Google search in the past. You can enter a keyword or a list of keywords, and you might narrow down your search, for example on a particular location. This might get important for you if your website relates, for example, to a certain city. You will then get a result of search requests which were performed by local users of that particular region. Then choose Get Ideas. You will get keyword suggestions as a result. However, what is important for SEO is the first column. The other columns get relevant if you intend to pay for ads in Google search results as a part of your search engine marketing strategy. Using mouse over, you will see the tendency of the number of searches within the last months. I choose strawberry cheesecake and get this list of keyword suggestions. Clicking on the header of the column, you can order the result by the number of average monthly searches. Now the question is, which keyword to go for? If you take the first one, strawberry cheesecake, you see that most of the searches hit this result. But the concurrency is very high too. This means that there will already exist quite a few websites which are optimized for this keyword. Therefore, you might look first at one in the middle of the list. For example, strawberry sauce for cheesecake. Before you would optimize your page for this keyword, you might be interested in which pages are found in Google when entering this term. Therefore, we switch to Google Search and enter the keyword into the search field. To get some more inspiration of what users are searching for, you can look at the list of relevant keywords at the bottom. I choose strawberry sauce for cheesecake using frozen strawberries, which is already quite specific, but I use it to demonstrate something. Having a look at the second result, we can learn a very important fact about search engines. You see that the search term does not match one-to-one the search result, but is split up throughout the whole content. It's due to the fact that search engines have gained a lot of intelligence. They would also connect long-tail keywords with your page if you used synonyms for single words within the keyword term. This technique is called semantic search. Google introduced it with their Hummingbird update in 2013. What does this mean for you and your web pages? It means that you might get inspired by the results of keyword research, but the exact sequence of words is not relevant in long-tail keywords. Just use a sequence of words which matches to your text and your style of writing. And place the keywords in the locations you have learned, in the title, meta description, headlines and links, and basically focus on the quality of your text. Going back to the Keyword Planner. In order to sort out the relevant keywords, you might download the result list to CSV and import it into Excel, then join it with other keyword suggestion lists. Finally, you might filter out the rows which do not match your topic and figure out which keyword phrases match best to your needs. A further source for keywords is Google Suggest. Therefore, you just go to Google Search and start typing. The keywords shown underneath the input field are those other users are using. Another website you can make advantage of is Answer the Public, which is a kind of Google Suggest database. There you type in your keyword and you will get tons of suggestions for long-tail keywords. The first part is about questions people type into Google search. For example, where can I buy cheesecake? The next part is about combinations with prepositions, like cheesecake for one person or cheesecake without crust. And then you will see combinations of the keyword in alphabetical order. For example, A, when is a cheesecake done? You will find the links to the websites I've mentioned, as well as an overview of 25 keyword tools on the right of the video in the lecture description.